What's going on, folks? Moving picker. It's been a little while. We're gonna see how bad I can embarrass myself on picking a lock. I pulled this one out. It is from Locking Paw, I believe. I didn't write the name on the package. This one is pinned up by Redeye Locksport. Awesome picker. Sad that he's not actually making videos anymore. But it's an arrow. There's the bitting. I don't know how long this is going to take me. So we're going to just cut to the chase. As always, the 5 people that probably watch my videos anymore, the link for Discord is in the description below. Come check us out. Great little community. But yeah, I don't get a whole lot of views anymore since I don't make videos on a consistent basis. What pick do I want to use? We'll grab that one and that one. Those seem to be my go-tos. We'll start with the tall first. And in frame. Been bumping my camera rig around so it's not where it was. So yeah, I'm working on that. And before anybody starts killing the comments with oh, the fan noise, the fan noise. Yes, I know. You don't have to tell me. There is nothing I can do about this one. We'll try it like that. There's absolutely nothing that's going to happen with that one. That is a backup power supply for my desktop. So yeah. Until I actually get around to fixing my desktop, it kind of has to stay on. Doesn't like to restart on its own. Let's go the other way. It'll restart, but it might not come back up, and I just haven't felt like dealing with it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We're starting to make progress. I hope everyone's staying healthy out there with this whole hangover virus going around. No, I'm not monetized, so I guess I can say the coronavirus. I've been watching some YouTube videos and people are saying they're getting demonetized for saying coronavirus. I'm not monetized, so yeah. I don't care. No, where I'm at, we are on a it's a shelter in place. Oh, there we go. Wasn't too bad. We're shelter in place right now, so only go out if you absolutely have to. If you don't have to, then don't go out. Bring that back a little bit more. But yeah, so oh, wait, no, that's not a flashlight. And I've lost it again. Before anybody says anything, no, I'm not talking about my mind this time. I keep misplacing a little tool that Bronx Lockpicker made for me for getting these clips off the back. Alright, there's that. There it is. Knew I had one of these. I don't like that. Here's what we're gonna do. Give me just a second. Picked up a full large pinning kit at one point in time from a pawn shop of all places, and it has these hollow HPC followers. No, wrong size. I want that one. Hope that's the right one. I don't like the hollow ones because I don't like dropping the pins out the back. But in a situation like this where my aluminum ones won't work, these work pretty good. Well, that's odd. Master wafer. Wonder why he did that. Let's do this. It's puzzling that he would have put a master wafer in there. Alright, so we've got that works. Threads on 1, light threads on 2, 3, 4, nothing, 5 threads, and 6, nothing. Still haven't done anything with my camera, so still won't focus in on any of that kind of stuff really well. Okay, so now I see why he did that now. Standard pin anyways, so number 2 is an ASA. There we go. That one just does not want to come out of there. That is why I don't like hollow followers. Well, so far 1 out of 3 has actually done what I told it to do. Short but powerful spring. Ah, no, not short. Threaded top. It's hung up. Another ASA driver. That one's an ASA Gin. That one came up from there. That spring, and it looks like 1, 5, and 6 are threaded in the top. Go away, you. Alright. Alright. Number 1 had the master wafer in it. Number 2 is an ASA barrel. Number 1 is just got a little serration in it. Almost just a narrow spool. Wow, can't do that. Hopefully it stays in frame. Number 4 is a very nice deep spool. And then number 5 is that ASA Gin bottle, which made for really good picking. Alright. I was probably out of frame the whole time I was gutting that lock. Oh well, I just noticed that. Alright folks, until next time.